How to create an Amazon account. So to create your Amazon account, all you have to do is open up your Google or your Chrome browser, and then on the search bar search for Amazon, or you can also go to amazon.com. It will directly take you to the website. So here on the first search you will have amazon.com. Click on that, and here it will take you to the Amazon website, and on the upper right corner you will have an option which says sign in, and on the bottom side you will have option which says start here. Click on that, and here you can create your account from here. Enter your first and last name, and then your mobile number or your email address, and then enter a password that you're comfortable with. Your password must be at least 6 characters long, and after that re-enter your password, and after typing your password you will have an option which says verify email. Click on verify email. So before moving on, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now Amazon will send an OTP to your email address, so open your email and then go and see that OTP and enter that OTP here, and then click on create your Amazon account. That's it guys, that's how you create your Amazon account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.